With agriculture supporting over 70% of the country's population, government has embarked on a national agro-industrial revamp initiative starting from central Uganda, focused on maximum production, quality output, and ultimately value addition to realize the much-needed import substitution strategy. According to the Prime Minister, Robin Anabanja, the industrial campaign, driven from the President's directive, intends to address market challenges faced by both small and large-scale farmers based on 6 key areas.
We need to pursue and develop our agriculture sector. And these include production, multiplication, distribution, certification of seeds, and stocking materials. That is 1. 2, disease control. Pests and disease control. Agricultural mechanization and irrigation. Farmer education and mobilization. Partnerships with big landowners.
Mechanized agriculture is one of the key components in the policy proposals to address agro-deficits. The Agriculture Ministry, part of the Implementation Pact, informs about its move to equip all the 18 mechanization zones with just 5 currently outstanding. A stock of heavy machinery is to be availed and the low-bed facility to link out-of-reach areas.
That these centers will be only for heavy equipment. And His Excellency the President went to the greater lengths of telling us that we should have low bed for those heavy equipment. We are talking about combined harvester, where it's applicable. We are talking about machine for land clearing. We are talking about excavators. But for the tractors, we are going to ensure that every sub-county has a tractor. Yes. But for the heavy equipment, we have been directed to have a low bed to transport the heavy equipment to a further sub-county of the sub-region and then return it.
In quest for value addition, a long-time gospel in Uganda's import substitution drive, Harriet Ntabazi, the Minister for Trade, confirms that UDC and UDB will assist through a finance facility to farmers. Similarly, investor mobilization is underway to attain full domestic raw material usage.
We want to assure you all the equipment under UDC, under UDB, money has been released in the budget. We are going to holistically handle this as a holistic project. And Kenya is adding value and again importing back the animal feeds, chicken feeds, and again we buy. So we are saying no, this must end. We must use our own raw material to add value on, and then we be the ones to export. So we are in plans and high gears, together with the Minister of Agriculture, because of the other challenge that we got with the Kenyan border, and now the South Sudan border. We have laid strategies, serious ones, to make sure that the competitors who are using our own products to fight us, stop it.
With the Agriculture Ministry tasked to create an administrative authority as oversight on the agro-inputs market, quality assurance seems a likely reality as export ban on products such as milk and maize, for instance, inhibits regional trade.
We had the Minister of Agriculture saying the government authorizes them to form an authority which is going to put emphasis on emphasizing on the quality assurance of the products. Why? Farmers have been cheated. But it's the right time, I think the government has come up, because I've been seeing different authorities, like we have Uganda Coffee Development Authority. I think it's the right time this has come out, because even though you are in coffee, let's say, you have to know, they have to give you the right fertilizer so that you use it and you gain from what you do. So it's a right way, the government, and it's the best decision the government has done.
Despite the agro-revamp campaign running on an unspecified budget, government's commitment on sector reform remains intact as key agro-production sectors are upheld to enforce import substitution. Ivan Tibenkana, SMART24TV, Business Today.